Hi friends, I'm very excited to share my weight loss journey as a lot of people asked me about it. That's how I used to look during my college days, and slowly after getting job I got married, and slowly the story started and basically I gained weight in a very short amount of time because I never cared about the nutrition that I take. I just like to eat and I used to eat every single thing. I thought weight loss is not for me and I can manage it somehow, and I became 93 kgs. It was a lot of weight gain, and I understood if I don't work on it, it will be harmful for my health. And I started to basically learn about the right way, the actually holistic way, and I started with that. I started making some healthy changes in my lifestyle. I improved on my diet, included organic diet, and I basically started investing in high quality supplements. Though I never knew about supplements earlier, I learned a lot about it. This is during the lockdown, and the changes that I made were very simple and actually holistic. This is the copper glass and copper jug I bought just after knowing that it is very much healthy, and that's how my weight graph looked like. And but I never cared about it because I knew ups and downs will be there. But I was very excited since I was following the healthy lifestyle changes. I knew I will reach my goal anyways. This cat became new friend, and I started eating various fresh things, and I chose the right cookware to cook so that the nutrition can be saved. And I really enjoyed my journey because I ate well. I never dieted actually, and I had a lot of my cheat meals also. I had royal cheat meals to fulfill my cravings. And if you see, that's how I look now, not shaved there. So the combination I used were I'm a healthy diet, changes in terms of diet, including good quality supplements, organic, and doing some activities to make an active lifestyle. So that's how my weight was going down with time, and I was very happy and excited to see the gradual change because I wanted it to be a healthy one. So I was not in a hurry. I was much more interested in following the right habits, so that I can maintain it for a long time as well. Because maintaining weight becomes problem after some time once we lose it somehow. So slowly I reached at my goal of 70.3 kgs for my BMI to be 21.7, and I started feeling more active. I reduced my waist size from 38 to 31 inches right now. These are my 3 jeans which became very loose, and that's how I basically look now. I became much more active. My sleep quality increased, my awareness increased, and my mindset became better. I became more active, and really excited about life now. I could reduce my uric acid count, which was a big problem for me a long time. All my blood counts came in superb range. As you can see, my glucose level came in normal range. My thyroid became proper, and hemoglobin level also became to normal. My body fat decreased, and that's how I did because I always wanted to do it in the right way. Right way is one where we lose our fat, and you can see in this graph I lost fat. This is my wife's jeans. Just for fun I wore it to see, and I was surprised that it was fitting me well. And these are my belt size. I just took a quick GIF, and all my 3 belts became loose, and that's the change from earlier till now. You can see a year back in my anniversary, that's how I used to look. So I was towards obesity, and I knew if I don't work on it right now, diabetes will be knocking at my door, and it will also impact my cardiovascular health, immunity, and various other aspects of my health, and which I might need to take pharmaceutical drugs later. Right now, it's a blessing for me and joy to help others as well. Thank you.